फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वेलकम गाइस, दिस इज कार्तिक शेयर एंड आज की वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं पाइथन प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज के बारे में। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड टू आवर वीडियो एंड सी व्हाट आर इट्स फीचर्स एंड व्हाट आर इट्स बेनिफिट्स ऑफ लर्निंग पाइथन। So the first question is, what is Python? Python is a general purpose programming language and it is used in a wide popularity areas in today's generation. Why Python is in demand? So the first point is it is very simpler syntax of Python is you have अदर प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेजेस जिनके सिंटैक्स बहुत ही कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होते हैं। सो ये क्या करते हैं, इससे कोड भी हमारा बहुत लंबा हो जाता है। लेकिन पाइथन में क्या है, पाइथन प्रोवाइड करता है बहुत ही सिंपल सिंटैक्स एंड द नंबर ऑफ लाइंस आर आल्सो वेरी लेस एज कम्पेयर टू अदर कोड एंड अदर प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज कोड। द सेकेंड पॉइंट इज़ अबंडेंस ऑफ लाइब्रेरी एंड फ्रेमवर्क्स। सो पाइथन क्या है कि ये आपको बहुत से फ्रेमवर्क्स एंड लाइब्रेरीज प्रोवाइड करता है। लाइक वेब फ्रेमवर्क में हमारे पास पाइथन में है फ्लास्क एंड डिजेंगो फ्रेमवर्क विच इज़ यूज्ड फॉर डेवलपिंग वेब एप्लीकेशंस। एंड इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट द लाइब्रेरीज, वी हैव द Python PyMongo libraries for database, we have the PyDev and so many of libraries which we can use and import modules like for date time modules and other modules also. So that's why it is a lot of in demand. And the third point is the portable feature. As Python is a general purpose language, it is portable. It has provided the portable feature, so you can run Python program on each and every machines irrelevant of its hardware dependencies. And the fourth point is encourage automation. The encourage automation, it is encourages the automation sector of today's generation. And so why we have to why this the reason behind Python becomes so popular. And the fifth point is useful in data science. As we all know that data science is a coming future in which we are making the predictions or forecasting related to the today's analysis on the data. So for that we need a language. So Python comes first in that case also, because Python and we can also use our language too, but most of the preference is given to the Python language. And the sixth one is, as I mentioned, it is also used in the web development by using the Python frameworks we have. So Python also allows you to develop the web pages, web applications. Seventh point is the useful in ML and AI. What is ML? ML is machine learning and AI is artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence and these are two again we are saying to it is correlated with the data science and all about. So you should have to go for Python, because if you search on the Google also, you will find out that machine learning is one of the most trending jobs in today's world and today's generation. So and the eighth one is the highly secure. When you know such a language which is going to so popular and has so many advantages and features, then you should have to go for it, because it is highly secure. In Python it provides various security features also and offers acceptable jobs. So sorry, appreciable jobs. You got offer letters related and offers to the Python developer jobs and so many of streams. As I mentioned, you can become machine learner engineer, you can become AI artificial intelligence engineer, and also Python developer, and so many of streams are available, job offers are available for you. So it also gives you highest paid jobs in India, and all if you are applying in other countries also. So better for go. For getting so much more videos, please like, comment and subscribe my channel, and do share more videos. Thanks for watching.